In the bustling pace of modern life, stress seems to be a ever-present companion. The demand of work, family, and societal pressure often leave little room for reflection or appreciation. It might appear that there is no much to be gratitude for, and it's easy to blame the fast-paced, often chaotic world we live in. So the feeling of gratitude does not come easily, but science says it's worth searching for. In this video, I will tell you why. But first, let's answer this question. What is gratitude? So gratitude is a powerful emotion that has been celebrated for the century, often linked to improved well-being and happiness. So recent advances in the neuroscience have begun to uncover the mechanism behind the gratitude practice, revealing how gratitude can have a profound impact on our brain and overall mental health. But how? We will learn this in the last section of this video. Before that, let's focus on these words: acknowledgements and appreciation, meaning exporting these things that make us feel good and being thankful for them. Acknowledgement and appreciation, this could range from the significant achievements, it could be promotion, or the food on your plate, or a beautiful sunset. So being grateful shifts our focus, and it is not about the forcing positivity, it allows us to look at what we do have rather than what we don't. Gratitude shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering a mindset that appreciates the present moment rather than lamenting over unmet desires. This is what makes gratitude a positive force, because it leaves a lasting impact on our health and mental health as well. That is can help you live longer and happier life. So numerous studies have demonstrated the wide range benefit of gratitude. A new study is out, the first of its kinds, and it says that the gratitude can lower the risk of dying of any cause by as much as 9%. And this quantification of gratitude impact underscores its potential as life extending practice. But if you practice gratitude, you already know that it's good for you. Study after study has shown this. Further research has shown that gratitude can reduce the risk of various health issues. It reduces the risk of cancer. It strengthens the mind and immune system. It also prevents the neurodegenerative disease like Parkinson, Alzheimer, Huntington, and even it enhances our relationship. Plus, those who are more grateful are more likely to get better sleep, age slower, be more confident and happier. Because gratitude reduces anxiety, it boosts decision making and self-esteem. So what is not to like? Yet, gratitude remains elusive. Life is challenges, and genetic predisposition can hinder our ability to feel grateful. Some of us have a higher genetic tendency to experience gratitude, but we don't need to be slaves to our gene or circumstances. So gratitude is a look like an exercise. Similarly, we know it is good for the grateful. Both these things make life better, but exercise demands a routines, plus you have to overcome your natural desire to laze around. Similarly, we need a habit of being grateful even when we don't really feel like it. Experts suggest two simple yet effective steps to cultivate gratitude. First, start with interior gratitude. Notice the things around you. Simplicity is the key here. It could be the warmth of the sun, or the taste of a delicious cup of tea, or the sound of laughter. By focusing on these simple pleasures, we can cultivate a habit of gratitude that permeates our daily life. The second is to practice exterior gratitude, meaning extend your gratitude towards others. It involves expressing thanks to the people around us in a specific and meaningful way. While an average person may say thank you 6 times a day, which is great, but it takes more than absent-minded thank you. You have to be more specific when giving out thanks. It requires being specific and heartfelt, acknowledging the particular action or qualities you appreciate in others. But despite all this study on the gratitude, science really does not indicate the perfect plan. Interestingly, gratitude levels tend to spike during the holidays. According to a survey, 77% of the people feel more gratitude during these times. This suggests that the environment and the context can influence our propensity for the gratitude. However, the key takeaway is that gratitude should not be confined to specific occasions. By incorporating it into our daily routine, we can reap its benefit year-round. So the how, when, where does not really matter. What counts is this: we have a lot more good things that happen to us than bad ones. But it may not seem that way because we very easily focus on the negative. Again, research proves this. Being grateful beats these approaches. It gives us a balanced view of life, so give it a try. And despite the bad and the ugly, strive to notice the good. Now we learn about the gratitude in neuroscience perspective, meaning how thankfulness shapes our brain and well-being. So gratitude is more than just a fleeting feeling of thankfulness or a polite thank you. It's a profound emotional experience that has been shown to have lasting positive effects on our brain and overall well-being. The science of gratitude has garnered increased interest in the recent year, revealing the intricate neural circuit, mental health, and social connections. At the core of understanding how gratitude influences the brain lies the interplay between several key neuronal regions and neurotransmitters. So first is prefrontal cortex. The prefrontal cortex, particularly the medial prefrontal cortex, MPFC, is heavily involved in the cognitive process associated with gratitude. This brain region is responsible for higher order thinking, decision making, and emotional regulation. When we practice gratitude, the MPFC shows increased activity, suggesting that the gratitude exercise can enhance our capacity for positive thinking and emotional resilience. The second is anterior cingulate cortex, that is called ACC. The ACC is involved in the emotion processing and social cognition. Research indicates that expressing gratitude activates the ACC, which may help explain why gratitude is linked to improved empathy and social bonding. This activation enhances our ability to understand and connect with others, fostering deeper and more meaningful relationships. And third is dopamine. Gratitude practice stimulates the release of dopamine hormone, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This feel-good chemical reinforces behavior, making us more likely to repeat actions that produce positive outcomes. By fostering a habit of gratitude, we essentially train our brain to seek out and savor positive experiences, creating a virtuous cycle of well-being. Fourth is serotonin hormone. Serotonin and other neurotransmitters play a crucial role in mood regulation. Gratitude exercise can increase the serotonin production, which contribute to feeling of happiness and contentment. This boost in serotonin can help counteract symptoms of depression and anxiety, making gratitude a valuable tool for the mental health. The fifth is hypothalamus. The hypothalamus, which regulates the bodily function such as sleep, appetite, and stress. Hypothalamus is also influenced by the gratitude. So practicing gratitude can lead to reduced level of the stress hormone cortisol, promoting better sleep, lower blood pressure, and an overall sense of calm and the relaxation. Here I want to conclude that the gratitude is a powerful force that can significantly enhance our well-being. It shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering a positive outlook on life. What we have. Despite the challenges and the barriers Cultivating gratitude is a worthwhile experience with numerous physical and mental and social benefits. By integrating the simple practices into our daily routine, we can harness the power of gratitude to improve our health, strengthen our relationship, and lead a more fulfilled life. So, despite the stresses and the challenges of modern life, strive to notice the good, give gratitude a try, and witness the transformative impact it can have on your life. So, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.